another episode of Our Interns Try. I'm Tianfei from Quality Service Management.
And I'm Max from Aviation Security.
Today we'll be exploring one of the very popular spots among travellers at Changi Airport. And guess what? It's free!
It's free? Then what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Welcome to Changi Airport's very own butterfly garden. Max, did you know that this is the first butterfly garden in an airport?
But I also heard there's over 25 species of butterflies here.
If there's so many species, how do they go about maintaining this garden?
That's a very good question. I wonder who we can ask to find out more.
Hi guys, I'm Christian from the horticulture team here at Changi Airport. Now my department oversees the maintenance and curation of all the green spaces in our airport. Welcome to Changi Airport's very own butterfly garden. This is a safe haven for about 1,000 butterflies across 25 species, and it is also an attraction for our many travellers to enjoy. Did you know that the garden was designed by putting the needs of the butterflies first? For example, we have a waterfall, and the waterfall provides critical humidity as well as minerals and acts as a water source for our butterflies. We also have infinite food for the butterflies to enjoy. There is a lack of predators and an abundance of plants for them to seek shelter from the rain and to hide at night.
Oh wow, I didn't know there were so many considerations and factors that come into play when it comes to maintaining the garden.
You're not wrong. In fact, would you guys like to try what goes on behind the scenes today here at the Butterfly Garden? Are you up for the challenge?
Oh, I'm definitely up for the challenge, but are you?
Of course I am! Let's go!
Okay guys, are you ready for your first task for today?
I am. I believe he's not.
Okay, no need to talk to him.
Not ready. I'm more than ready.
Good. Okay, so today we will be preparing food for the butterflies. We'll be preparing one tray of flowers and one tray of pineapples. Now, can you guess why we use pineapple?
Because SpongeBob lives in it.
Pineapples, from a maintenance perspective, are actually very easy to maintain. Pineapples are also naturally very sweet and they provide sufficient nutrients for the butterflies to enjoy. The flowers are actually coated with honey water to stimulate nectar. Use Jabera flowers because they are very attractive and pretty as well. The winner of this task is the one who does it the fastest and the nicest. Okay guys, so here's our master gardener, Chit U.
Hello.
And he has been working in the garden for 10 years.
10 years.
Wow.
Yes. So today he will show you the tricks of the trade. So you just watch him closely and learn all that you can.
Which one do you want to do?
I shall do a pineapple first. See,
No, I
got
thought that there was
one
a
more
technique
and
to
done.
it.
What technique is there? Tell me.
No, I don't know.
I have 5 done already. Easy. Time. Hey. See, just need cut only. So simple.
Oh my god, help! It's
No
not
help.
sharp.
Take this flower.
Oh my god, wait, it's not working.
Come on, you cannot do this. The butterfly need to eat.
Bye Max. Always say slow, right?
It's okay. Don't do it too fast, guys.
Bye! Oh my god, this is so thick leh. Okay, I should really go train my cutting skills.
Let's go, guys.
Wow, he's still there. Okay. I'm winning.
Butterflies. Think can replace some first.
Okay, I'm done.
Enough or not? You think it's
let's
enough?
cut more. Wow, okay. Since I don't have enough, right? I think he also won't have enough.
And we're done. Let's go down and see if Tianfei is done.
Are you sure you're done?
No? Do I need to clear everything?
Yeah.
Oh, I need to clear everything.
The
ah?
whole tray.
Okay, I think this should be enough. We're not done, right? What? No, guys. Stop. Okay, put down.
Where's the flowers that you all cut? Yeah, this one. Okay, thank you very much. So there's a... Sorry, cameras. Hey! Test! Report! Back to the stairs, guys. The hard part.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna fall into it.
Hello?
Oh no, I scared the butterfly away. Okay, done. I think I should go up and find Max.
Okay, let me just double check that everything's good. And we're done. Hey!
What's up? You done too?
Easy. See,
Wow.
got one more left, never change.
But
Not
this
so
is
many
extra.
butterflies.
Okay guys, so I will now decide who is the winner of this task. and it is max.
I tell already.
As you can see, you can move aside. The butterflies
many
are already
butterflies.
enjoying this
Wait, but we are up
pineapples.
here. Like, we should just go down and see. I'm pretty sure there's butterflies
oh,
there.
So the winning feature is this. If you look at the old and the new, you cannot tell the difference.
Oh,
But
wow.
if you look at your flowers, they're slightly off center.
Okay, okay.
I can walk here already, guys.
So
I
good job,
guess
Max.
I'm giving it to you.
Okay, so before we move on to the next task, we have a little pop quiz for you. So there are 3 questions in this pop quiz, and there's a punishment if you lose. So the first question is, why do we use pineapples?
Because it's easy to maintain and it's also sweet.
And there's one more element.
It's juicy.
It's juicy.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1 point each.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, now the second question is, just now, based on the first task, right? Can you remember how many flowers and pineapples are left for a tree?
10 pineapples, 24 flowers.
Very good. Okay,
Yeah.
it's 1-2 now. And then the final question is, what are the 3 functions that the waterfall provides?
Number 1, humidity.
Mineral and water source.
Okay, correct. Alright, so I think it's pretty clear cut that the loser is Max. And since you asked earlier, the punishment is this. So, yeah,
I
you
can be
got
a
hand-
butterfly for this.
Actually, yeah, you can be a butterfly for the second task.
Yes.
Cute! So cute!
Are you ready for the second task?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea what it could be?
Do you?
Anything from your surroundings that you can guess?
I would say this case.
Yes, so we have an emergence cage here where we install the pupa, and after they hatch, we will release the butterflies. But what do you notice?
It's empty.
It's empty. So you're right, we will be installing pupa. And now this task is a matter of life and death. You have to handle the pupa with utmost care and concern, I would say. Okay? Because if you crush the pupa, they will die. So you have to be very consistent and very careful. So the winner of the challenge is the one who does it with the most care and concern. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go! So, here is how you identify the head and the tail of the pupa. So you can see the veins are here, and then there's this ridged section. This is the tail or the abdomen of the butterfly. And the head is actually where you have these 2 spiky horns. So now that you have seen how our master gardener has done it, you guys will glue 2 full rows of metal rods with the pupa. Just make sure that you're very careful and that you hang the pupa upside down. Okay, so you can each pick a station and get going with the task.
Okay, so first, the technique was to put on it. And not sure if I'm messing this up. This looks like very little bit.
Oh my god, the glue is so sticky. Also by Christian, I need to turn it.
How many higher? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, halfway there, guys. Halfway there.
Okay, I don't know if this is enough, but I will try. I have to be very gentle. It's the tail. So I have to put it like...
Oh, she start pasting already. It's about being careful, guys. No need to rush.
I move on with my second rod. Are you on to your second?
Yeah, moving on to my second. No worries.
A few inches later.
Right, last cookies and cream. And say how's life?
I have one more. Okay, nice.
Yeah, I guess I'm done.
I'm kinda done too late. I'm done.
We're done.
Okay, so the winner of the second task is Tianfei. You were able to glue it the most equidistant, the most consistently. So, good job.
Thank you.
Just to let you know, the cocoons will emerge over the course of the next week. So if you're around Terminal 3 for your work or for lunch, you can pop by to take a look at how your cocoons are doing.
Okay.
Good job. You can try harder next time.
Okay, I may have lost this, but I got my beautiful butterfly wings.
That's right. Love the spirit.
I'm a butterfly now.
Sing the song.
I'm a little butterfly.
So Max, what do you learn from today?
I learned that there's a lot of different maintenance that needs to be done behind the scenes. People need to put in a lot of hard work in order to maintain this beautiful garden.
Right. Personally for me, it was a very eye-opening experience because I got to see the different pupas, and I didn't know that these pupas can have different colors and come in different sizes for like the different species. And with that, thank you for tuning in to this episode of Our Interns Try.
Please remember to like, share and subscribe and comment down below on what you want to see our interns try next.
Bye!
For example, we have a waterfall.
Fake actor.
Manifesto, right?